So hi guys. Today we are playing car games. Yeah, it's super fun. I nearly crashed that car. This is okay. This is one lane. Yep. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1, and go. Look guys, I'm gonna like drift. I'm also gonna drift. Like close call. Like yeah. 3, 2, 1, drift! Bro! I drift, bro. Like before I drift. Yeah. So the country is like so this is I think United States of the car country it looks a city and the city it's a city. It looks like a Dubai city. Yeah. And in my future, I live in work in Victoria, Australia. Yeah, some people told me in the comments. Yeah, and I usually like playing games. And I usually like playing games and like playing with my friends. And yeah, that was my fun thing. Yeah, that was my fun thing. And yeah, in home time I play with my friends in school. And then my parents pick me up. And yeah. I mean, I go home by myself. And that was my fun thing in my world. Yeah, so that was my fun thing. And that was my fun, craziest thing. And in my trip, I did a Coca-Cola experiment. And I deleted that already. Yeah, and that was my, yeah, so. Yeah, so. Yeah, so yeah. Bye guys. See you in next channel. Bye.